was wrong about you, Harrison. You're still one step ahead. Impressive for a man without the use of his legs.
I'm afraid I don't know what you're talking about, Wade.
A girl who can transform ordinary objects into explosives with the touch of her hand. Today I saw a man who can move faster than the blink of an eye. Extraordinary. The night your particle accelerator died. It's the night the impossible was born. I think we should start working together again, Harrison.
I think you should leave.
You know I can have a squadron of soldiers here in minutes.
You know I can have an army of press here. Like that. Believe me, General, I'd be more than happy to testify to your involvement in activities that were less than humane. Threaten me again, and I will end you, General. And I am not talking about your career.
You know, I figured out your little secret, Wells. Won't be long before the public catches on as well.